Alright guys, today we're going to do a video on how to change these badges out on a non-Lariat Sport to the Lariat Sport badge. Yes, mine's XLT. I don't care that it says Lariat. All I care is that my badge is black. Okay, so what I'm assuming you do is, I tried pulling it with one hand already. It was way too hard, so I'm going to set this here and just yank the crap out of it with both hands. Yep, it takes both hands. There's little clips here, 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 and here. So I could probably hold it now. Now you just, the clips right here on it, just go. Wrong one, stupid. Alright, so like an idiot, I had the wrong one. But these clips on here, they're just going to clip right in here. Just push. Push till you hear the clip. Boom. So, that's changed out. Maybe when I trade it in, we'll have a stupid salesman and he'll think it's a Lariat because I'm going to put leather in here pretty soon, yellow. Anyway, that's all it is to it. See if we can go do the other side real quick. One-handed, I doubt it, but I'm going to try. What's up, Tuck Tuck? Alright, so I just yanked. Oh yeah, I might can get this one hand. That's what I do, hello. Sorry about this video, guys. I need a tripod. I'm just too cheap to get one. But I just, bam. Anyway, looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. I got the Lariat Sport wheels too, but I had cheap XLT lug nuts and I couldn't put the center caps on until I get the deeper socket lug nuts. But all in all, it looks good. I'll change out these chrome bumpers. I'm gonna put replacement bumpers on with a winch bumper and a replacement back bumper and a camper shell. But just kind of getting rid of the chrome as much as I can, as fast as I can, little by little. But it looks a lot better. All right, that's it. Appreciate y'all.